In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical keyboards that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Keychron Q1 Pro. The Keychron Q1 Pro is an advanced, fully customizable mechanical keyboard designed for versatility and premium performance, compatible with laptops, PCs, tablets, and smartphones. It supports both wireless and wired connectivity, featuring stable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 for seamless multitasking across up to 3 devices, and boasts an impressive 4000 mAh battery offering up to 100 hours of use at lower brightness. Constructed from durable 6063 aluminum with a sleek modern design, this keyboard includes a double gasket system and silicone pads to minimize sound resonance during typing. It features 82 keys equipped with hot swappable mechanical brown switches, allowing users to effortlessly replace switches without soldering, and comes with QMK via programmability for remapping keys and creating macros. The innovative PBT keycaps are both oil-resistant and durable, complemented by vibrant RGB backlighting with 22 customizable settings to enhance the typing experience. Number 2. CORSAIR K70 Keyboard. The CORSAIR K70 RGB TKL Champion Series keyboard is a premium mechanical gaming accessory designed for competitive gamers. Built with input from top esports professionals, this tankless keyboard features a portable design, a detachable USB Type-C cable, and a specialized tournament mode switch that ensures a distraction-free experience during critical matches. Utilizing Corsair's Axon hyperprocessing technology, it transmits inputs to the PC at impressive speeds of up to 8000 Hz, providing a competitive edge. The durable aluminum frame is complemented by customizable dynamic per-key RGB backlighting, allowing users to showcase team colors or create unique lighting effects. Additionally, the keyboard features precision mold PBT double-shot keycaps that are resistant to wear and fading, ensuring longevity and stability, making it an ideal choice for serious gamers looking to enhance their performance. Number 3. RK Royal KLUDGE RK61. The RK Royal KLUDGE RK61 is a versatile 60% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for a variety of devices, including laptops, gaming consoles, PCs, tablets, and smartphones. It features a triple connectivity mode with Bluetooth 5.0, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, and USB-C wired options, ensuring a stable and flexible connection. With 61 keys, this compact keyboard is favored by FPS gamers for its space-saving design, allowing for better mouse movement. Their hot swappable PCB enables users to easily replace switches without soldering, enhancing customization options. It boasts a high-capacity battery that provides up to 13 hours of continuous use with backlighting and an impressive 360 hours of standby time. Despite its single-color backlighting, the RK61 offers 17 dynamic modes, allowing users to adjust brightness and effects for a personalized experience. Additionally, it supports DIY software for further customization, making it a modern and practical choice for gamers. Number 4. Razer BlackWidow V3. The Razer BlackWidow V3 Mini is a compact, high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard designed for PC gamers, featuring a sleek classic black design and 68 keys. It offers versatile connectivity options, including Bluetooth for efficient power use, hyperspeed wireless for lag-free gaming, and USB-C for charging during use. The keyboard is equipped with Razer yellow mechanical switches, providing a smooth and silent typing experience, ideal for immersive gameplay. With Razer Chroma RGB, users can customize per-key lighting with 16.8 million colors, syncing with over 150 games for enhanced atmosphere. Boasting an impressive battery life of up to 200 hours in wireless mode and quick charging capabilities, the keyboard is built for durability with double-shot ABS keycaps that resist wear. The Razer Snap Tap feature, customizable through Razer Synapse 4, enhances in-game responsiveness by prioritizing inputs between assigned keys, making it a top choice for serious gamers. Number 5. HyperX Alloy Origins 60. The HyperX keyboard is a compact 60% mechanical gaming keyboard designed for PC and gaming console users, offering a portable and ergonomic solution that enhances gaming experience. Built with a full aircraft-grade aluminum body for durability, this keyboard features 61 keys reinforced with double-shot PBT keycaps, which resist wear and provide side printing for quick function recognition. Powered by custom HyperX mechanical switches, the keyboard ensures speed, accuracy, and reliability with a lifespan of 80 million key presses. Users can enjoy vibrant RGB backlighting, enhanced by an exposed LED design that delivers bright lighting effects. Additionally, the keyboard supports advanced customization through HyperX Ingenuity software for defining game modes, macros, and key lighting. Its practicality is further highlighted by adjustable tilt angles and a detachable USB-C cable, making it an ideal choice for gamers who prioritize both performance and portability.